Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications, like the video.
In this video, I am going to solve an example on a partial differentiation. That is, if u is equal to e raised to x into bracket x cos y minus y sin y, then we have to show that dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x, and another thing is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. Here what you can observe is two second order partial derivatives are there. Okay, to avoid the confusion, let me find out all first 5 or 6 partial derivatives so that we can have the solution here. First, let me consider u is equal to e raised to x into x cos y minus y sin y. Okay, let me call this equation number 1. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to x. If I am differentiating this one partially with respect to x, what I am going to get here is dou u by dou x, as you have to differentiate this partially with respect to x and keeping y constant, but here it is a product of two terms, e raised to x into function of x again. That's why you have to use the product rule. That is e raised to x into differentiation of x cos y minus y sin y. X cos y will become, cos y is constant and differential of x is 1 minus y sin y is 0 plus x cos y minus y sin y into bracket differentiation of e raised to x. While applying the product rule, differential of e raised to x is e raised to x. We can simplify this by taking the e raised to x common. E raised to x into bracket cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y is my first order partial derivative dou u by dou x. Okay, as it is again differentiating 1, we can differentiate 1 partially with respect to y also now. Okay, that differentiating 1 partially with respect to y now. Okay, while differentiating with respect to y, we have to take care that it is written notation is dou u by dou y. Then while differentiating with respect to y, x is constant, therefore e raised to x totally is constant now. E raised to x into bracket partial derivative of this bracket inside a bracket with respect to y, x into sin y. Again x is constant, differential of cos y is minus sin y minus differentiation of y into sin y. You have to use the product rule here. That is y into differentiation of sin y is cos y plus sin y into differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. This one we can simplify and you can write it as e raised to x into bracket minus x into sin y minus y into cos y minus into plus minus sin y. Okay, these are the two derivative with respect to x and with respect to y. Let me call this as equation number 2, this one equation number 3. Now again 2 can be differentiated partially with respect to x and y both. Okay, what I will do now here, differentiating 2 partially with respect to x I will do first. That is dou by dou x of dou u by dou x. That is nothing but a dou square u by dou x square I can write. Correct? This dou u by dou x I am differentiating partially with respect to x again. Therefore it is dou square u by dou x square. Again you can check e raised to x and again it is a function of x. Again I have to use a product rule for this. Therefore e raised to x into differentiation of this side inside a bracket partially with respect to x. Cos y is there, therefore it is 0 plus x into cos y is there, its differential will become cos y into 1 and this is 0 minus 0. But whereas a product rule applying that, first second term as it is cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y into differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Correct? Simplified form of this is e raised to x I can take common and I can write it as e raised to x into bracket cos y plus cos y, that is 2 times cos y, okay, 2 times cos y plus x cos y and minus y sin y is my dou square u by dou x square. Like that, this dou u by dou x, equation 2, again I can differentiate it partially with respect to y also. What is the notation for that? That I will come back here. That is dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. Correct? That is differentiating 2 partially with respect to y I am doing now. That is the notation. Correct? Dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. This one I have to differentiate dou u by dou x I am differentiating with respect to y. While differentiating with respect to y, again x is constant, e raised to x is constant. Therefore, e raised to x as it is into cos y differentiation will become minus sin y, and here x into cos y, x is constant, plus x into differentiation of cos y is minus sin y, minus, whereas y sin y differentiation is product rule to use, y into cos y plus sin y into 1, or you can simplify this and you can write this one as e raised to x into minus sin y minus x sin y minus y sin y, sorry, y cos y minus of into plus minus sin y, and minus sin y already there. Therefore, I can write it as 2 times sin y. Correct? This notation I can write it as dou square u by dou y dou x. Okay? Let me call this equation number 4. Okay? Similarly, equation 3 is my what? Dou u by dou y. This dou u by dou y again can be differentiated partially with respect to x as well as with respect to y. Therefore, let me differentiate equation 3 partially with respect to both x and y. First, differentiating 3 partially with respect to x first, that is dou by dou x of, let me write here, let me show you, dou by dou x of dou u by dou y equal to, correct, differentiating dou u by dou y with respect to x. This is my dou u by dou y. I am differentiating this one with respect to x. Again, x e raised to x, this is there. Again, I have to use the product rule for these two. That is, while doing that, I will just note down yourself. E raised to x into differentiation of x into minus sin y will become minus sin y. Okay. Then minus y cos y will become 0. Whereas minus sin y also will become 0. Plus this whole term as it is, that is minus x sin y minus y cos y minus sin y as it is into differential of e raised to x is e raised to x. Simplified form of this is dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to, take the e raised to x common, and what you can write, minus sin y minus 2 times sin y and minus x sin y minus y cos y. This is my equation number 5. What you are observing here, equation number 4 and 5, dou square u by dou y dou x, dou square u by dou x dou y, both are one and the same on the right hand side. Therefore, one we have proved. Before that, what I am doing here, equation 3, dou u by dou y, I am differentiated partially with respect to only x here now. Now I can differentiate this one partially with respect to y also. Therefore, let me write here again, differentiating 3 partially with respect to y also. What I am going to get here then? Dou by dou y of dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is differentiated again with respect to y. Okay. Therefore, notation what I can write here? Dou square u by dou y square equal to. Okay. Now, what is y? Dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is equation number 3. This one I have to differentiate partially with respect to y. Whereas e raised to x is constant now. Only this bracket, inside a bracket I have to differentiate partially with respect to y. Therefore, I can write here e raised to x as it is into e raised to x into minus x into sin y. Minus x into sin y differentiation is cos y minus y cos y is there. Again product rule, y into minus sin y plus cos y into differentiation of y is 1 minus differentiation of sin y is cos y. Simplify this. Simplification of this, what we are going to get it is e raised to x into minus x cos y. Only one term is there. Let me write as it is, minus x cos y minus of minus plus y into sin y. Okay. Next, plus minus into plus minus cos y into minus cos y minus 2 times cos y. This is equation number 6. All 6 partial derivatives you have got. From this one, first I will consider equation number 4 plus 5. Equation 4 plus equation number 5. That is a dou square u by dou x dou y plus dou square u by dou y dou x. Just you can check here, both are nothing but same. Okay, what you can observe, equation number 4 and 5, or adding them, you will get both are same. E raised to x into this one, e raised to x. Therefore, what you can write from equation number 4 and 5 then? Both equation 4 and 5 are equal. This one also you can write here equal. Okay. Whereas equation number what you can do, second order partial derivative with respect to both x and with respect to y, I will call equation number, this one also is there, one more equation, that is a dou square u by dou x square. You can call it as equation number 7 and 6. If you add, you will get the same. Addition will come 0. From equation 6 plus 7, that is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to, while adding this equation number 7, e raised to x into 2 cos y. Here also e raised to x into minus 2 cos y is there. Therefore, it is 0. Next, x into cos y. This one x into cos y, whereas here it is minus x into cos y, and y sin y is here, and here it is minus y sin y, equation number 7. Therefore, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. I can write. From this, we can show that both are true. Like this, some more examples I am going to solve on partial differentiation in my next videos. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.